Well, we are with Dr. Beall right now, learning all about infusion therapy at Arise Infusion Therapy. They have 7 locations here in the DMV. So thank you so much for being with us today on Good Morning Washington. And such an important topic, and we want to tell our viewers all about your great locations. So let's start with what infusion therapy is.
Okay, really good question. Infusion therapy is basically a type of therapy that's given in either an outpatient setting, such as this one, or in the hospital setting. And basically it's what most people would refer to as an IV therapy. So a nurse would start an IV for you and give you the medicine through a vein.
So what are some of the common conditions that are treated here at Arise?
One of the most common conditions that we treat is rheumatoid arthritis, but we also treat other things like osteoporosis, lupus, psoriatic arthritis, and we actually accept referrals from a lot of folks around the DMV, so things like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, so really a wide variety of conditions that we treat.
Such a warm and welcoming atmosphere from the second you walk through the door. Tell me about the benefits of Arise Infusion Therapy.
Well, I think one of the best things about Arise Infusion Therapy is that you're getting your medication in a very safe environment with really highly trained nurses who've been doing this for a very long time. We also take care of a lot of the other stuff that really is bothersome to people, like the prior authorization aspect of things, and we just communicate with your doctor routinely about all of these different things that are affecting you.
In fact, there's an entire team working for that pre-authorization process, and if there's viewers watching at home right now, they can get started on that right now.
Yes, it's actually really easy. You could either just give us a call at 301-942-7600, or you can go to the website at www.ariseinfusion.com.
Talk about how important it is to have Arise Infusion Therapy part of your practice here.
Yeah, so we are actually, it's a subset of a practice called Arthritis and Rheumatism Associates, and we're one of the largest rheumatology practices in the DMV, and we've been in practice since actually the late 1970s, so over 40 years. So it's a really important part of our practice, and patients with autoimmune conditions often need this type of therapy, so we're very happy that we can give this as a service to our patients.
And if people have gotten therapies at other locations, maybe at a hospital, they can switch and start bringing their therapy here, correct?
That's exactly right, actually. So a lot of patients have done that, either because the insurance does not want to have them go to a hospital anymore, or maybe because they need a location that's a little closer to home. A lot of patients have to drive 2 hours or even longer to get their treatment, and we have a lot of different locations across the DMV, so it makes it easier for patients in a wide variety of locations to get treatment.
Dr. Beall, thank you so much for showing us this beautiful location, one of 7 here in the DMV. We'll put that important information up on the screen if you want to make that call right now, get that pre-authorization process going, and visit Arise Infusion Therapy today.